On the same day, 10 years ago, Zhang Jike won his Olympic singles gold at Olympics London 2012 to complete his Grand Slam. Today, Zhang Jike is retired. He is too old to compete on the competition level. These are some of his best rallies, filmed by Stiga China. I think everyone knows a lot about Zhang Jike. He is on the Chinese men's table tennis team. He is a world champion, an Olympic champion, and the 7th player in table tennis history to win a Grand Slam. Netizens call the dribbling style a violent aesthetic because it gives the impression of strength. As a world champion, Zhang Jike still follows sports events around the world. He recently parachuted into the Douyin live broadcast room of Jinshan Office, which is the official collaborative office provider for the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. His words of support for the Beijing Winter Olympics became popular. Zhang Jike is absent since 2018. The team competition at the 2018 National Table Tennis Championships is over, and the individual competition has begun. Many former national team players are still playing in this game, but we didn't see any famous national table tennis players who hadn't yet retired. Zhang Jike is one of the Chinese men's table tennis team's 4 Grand Slam players. At this year's national championships, many of the best players from the national table tennis men's team, including 4 world champions, Ma Long, Fan Jiandong, Su Xian, and Zhang Jike, dropped out of the singles competition. Ma Long and Su Xian, on the other hand, still took part in the team competition. Zhang Jike, on the other hand, retired like Fan Jiandong and didn't take part in a single event. Zhang Jike is not in a good place right now, but he is destined to have points in the championship, so it is a little sad that he is not playing this time. Zhang Jike has been well known for a long time. He has won the Olympics, the World Championships, and the World Cup singles titles. However, old fans shouldn't forget how the Grand Slam player fought back when things didn't go his way. Zhang Jike was already on the national team when he was sent back to Shandong in 2004 for various reasons. This was a low point in his life. At that time, he was very sad, and his whole body seemed to have lost its spirit. You could say that the time that Zhang Jike lived in has moved away from us. But there is no athlete in the world who can beat time and age. Not even Waldner, who is known as the evergreen tree of table tennis. We might not only miss Zhang Jike at the national championships this time next year, but we might also hear that he has retired. Yeah.
最终，凭借更好的临场发挥以及更为放松的心态，张继科以5比2击败对手，取得了2016年对马龙的第1场胜利。